Hi, I'm Jocelyn Malamy. I'm the Director of Undergraduate Studies for the biology major. So all students majoring in biology have to take a fundamental sequence, which is a sequence of introductory courses that'll give you a solid foundation in a range of scientific disciplines and lab techniques, introduce you to R coding and quantitative modeling to solve biological problems, and give you experience in reading primary research literature. They'll also prepare you for the upper level biology electives and for working in research labs. So as an entering freshman, you need to choose between the advanced biology sequence and the molecules to organisms fundamental sequence. So both of these sequences are appropriate for students interested in careers in research or in the health professions. So the first sequence that we can talk about is the advanced biology sequence. The advanced biology sequence is a fundamental sequence that is open to students who received a 4 or 5 on the biology AP test or equivalent. This excellent sequence starts in fall quarter and allows students to immediately dive into biology through lectures and labs. It is taught entirely by UC research faculty, tends to be small in size, and focuses on reading and analyzing important research papers in a wide range of biology disciplines, learning lab techniques and designing experiments. Faculty mentor students in finding research opportunities at the end of the sequence. So this intensive sequence is fantastic if you feel sure that you want to focus on biology, if you're interested in research, and if you have a strong biology background from high school. It's equally appropriate for students who plan on careers in health sciences and students with other career interests. The advanced biology sequence courses require dedication and time, and students are encouraged to take a total of 3 courses in the fall quarter of their first year if they opt for this sequence. Note that if you start this sequence and then change your mind, there's still time to jump into the other sequence. Most biology majors take the molecules to organisms fundamental sequence. This rigorous sequence starts in the winter quarter of first year. It is also taught entirely by UC research faculty and has lecture and lab components. Students refer to the sequence as the fundamental sequence or simply the fundamentals. The molecules to organisms fundamental sequence is a great preparation for students interested in research and or careers in the health professions. It's appropriate for students with any amount of biology background, as introductory material is covered in each course before delving more deeply into the discipline. There are also guided workshops in the sequence to teach students how to read primary scientific literature. Because of the large number of students, the class is split into 2 different sections. And although different faculty teach each of these 2 sections, the broad scope of material that's covered is very similar. So you should just pick the section that fits best with your schedule. Lectures are large, up to 100 students, but lab sections are capped at 24 to give students a more interactive experience. If you're strongly interested in ecology, there's a variant of this sequence called Life, Ecosystems, and Evolution Fundamental Sequence. Some students call it Track C or the Green Sequence. This sequence starts off with the same courses as molecules to organisms, so this is a decision that you can make later. Also note that the first courses in the molecules to organisms sequence overlap with the recommended courses in the neurosciences major, so this is a good choice for anyone who's considering both of these options. So further down on this page, you'll find links to 2 videos in which University of Chicago students give their advice about choosing between the sequences.